This is tutorial 5-1 in GIS Workbook 2. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to select things that are nearby. This example in this one is going to be parse our land use next to a river. And we're going to start off by adding our tutorial map, 5-1. Now, unless you've used this in the past, you're going to have to add a new tool to your toolbar. It's this one right here, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You want to go to Customize and go to Customize Mode. Uh, it's not a toolbar on its own, but it's a command. So you're just going to click on here. You're going to go down to where it says Selection. You're going to click on that, and what you're going to do is you're going to click and drag that and place it right there, right next to the clear. And with that done, you'll have a new tool on your toolbar. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this, and we're going to click on Torrent Rivers, and we're going to put a 50 there, and the unit should be in feet. And we're going to switch over to data view just because it's a lot easier to see closer. This checkered line right here is the river. Now, you don't see anything that we did. You won't see it until we select it. So we're just going to use our select tool and click on the river. And as you can see, if you look closely, there are little lines that are sticking out from our selection. Um, that shows us the 50 feet. I'm going to zoom in some. You can see them right here now. It just lets us know what land uses are could be affected by that river. Now we're just going to zoom back out. Okay, and now we're just going to go up here to our selection. Now that would be helpful. If we were to print this screen, those lines would appear. The thing is, though, it doesn't give us a list of things, it just gives a visual. To get a list, what we're going to have to do is a selection by location. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our new tool, go back to the river, and we're just going to turn it back to a 0. And as you can see, the lines went away. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to selection by location, and we want to select features from land use, and we want the river to be our source, and we want to use the selected features, which is 1, so make sure that box is checked. And then we want target layers features intersect the source layer feature as the method. Then we're going to check this box here, and you're going to put 50, and make sure it's in feet. And then you're just going to hit OK. As you can see now, it selected all the parcels that intersect that river within 50 feet. They want us to use a different color. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into properties, and in the selection tab, you're going to click on this, and they want the outline to be 4, which it already is, and they want us to choose flame red, which is that one right there. It's kind of an orange. Okay, and there we go for that. So now we have a visual, but seeing that we selected something, we also have a list. So we're just going to open up the attribute table. We go to select, and now we have addresses. So we can create a mailing list to inform whoever owns these properties that they might be in danger of flooding if there's a flood of some sort. And in order to get this to, they don't want to put it exactly on the map because it'd be meaningless. They want to export it. You could just print it, but if you wanted to keep it and mail it, say, through an email, you would just export. You would find a location for it, and you would want to send it as a DBase table. Then you just give it a name and send it where it needs, and save it to where you need to send it. And that's it for this tutorial. And as you can see, once it clears, it all goes away.